So hello, today I'll be teaching you how to add assessment and sub-assessment on your learning space on CloudNotte. So the first step is to click on your settings. Now right from your settings, I have to go to my report sheet. Now on my report sheet, I have icons like assessment, sub-assessment, grade system, and the rest of it. Now what we want to do is to work on the assessment and the sub-assessment. This is very easy, so let's just get started. Now first of all, I have to select the term. So I'm going to be working with first term. I'm going to be selecting the class. I'm going to be working with just 1A, and if you see here, we already have assessments that are here already, but what we want to do is to add more assessments to what we already have. So I'm going to click this button that says add new assessment. Now remember, we are working with assessment and sub-assessment. So with this assessment, I can also add sub-assessment to it. I'm going to show you how to do that. What is the name of my assessment? Maybe I'm going to have this as midterm assessment. And what class is this applicable to? So I'm going to be picking just JS1B. I can click this button to select all classes, but I'm going to just be working with JS1B. And what term is this applicable? Is it applicable to all the terms or just a specific term? So I'm going to just pick first term and third term, because that's just where I want this assessment to function in. Or I can just simply add the next one and it's applicable to all. So the next thing I have to do now, there's an option that says that I can add sub-assessment to this particular assessment. So I'll be doing that right now. How do I add sub-assessments to it? What are those sub-assessments that I can add? It can be projects, so I'm going to put homework. Now the next step is adding sub-assessment to this assessment that we want to create. Okay, so if I don't have any sub-assessment, like if I don't want to choose any sub-assessment from these ones that I've already created, I can add my own new sub-assessment. And how do I do that? By clicking on this add sub-assessment button. So I have to click on it and it takes me to an interface where I'll have to impute the name of that assessment. So I'm going to use homework. Since it's midterm, I'm going to use homework and I'm going to say create homework. What other assessment do I want to add? I'm going to add project. I'm going to say project. I'm going to add CA1. So I have 3 sub-assessments now. So all I have to do is to click submit, and automatically my sub-assessment has been added successfully. Now what do I do next? All I need to do next is to come in here and select that assessment that I've just created, which is the classwork and the homework. So I'm going to pick classwork. I'm going to pick homework. Okay, so I'm also going to pick CA1. Okay, no, let me pick project. So these are the 3 assessments, sub-assessments rather, that I want to be in my mid-term assessment. So I'm going to be allocating marks to it. My classwork, how many marks am I allocating to it? So I'm going to say 10 marks. Homework, how many marks? 10 marks. My project, how many marks am I going to be giving? Let's say 10. So all in total, we're getting 30. So once I'm done with this, all I need to do is to click on create assessment, and automatically my assessment has been created. How do we know that this assessment has been created? Let's give you a test run. So I'm going to click first term. I'm going to pick the class, and here, as we can see, we have third term assessment. Okay, so that means automatically our assessment has been created. So you can do this and create as many assessments as you want to create. Now don't forget to click the subscribe button and get updated for our next video. Thank you so much.